Today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TS5020 All-in-one printer. So this is a wireless printer we can use for wireless print, scan. We can also do the copy, and we can connect it with the Wi-Fi network of our home or office. And we can also use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of this printer, which is a Wi-Fi direct. And I'm going to show you how to do unbox and quick setup of this printer. So let's start with that. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and click on the power button and wait for the display screen to work. Now once the display screen is on, we will see it says select the language, so we can select the language we want and click OK and agree to the terms and conditions. Now we have to install the ink cartridges. Now I'm going to show you how to install the SetUp ink cartridges in this printer. So we can just open the printer. As you can see, there is a flap here from where we can open it. And once we open the cover, the ink cartridge chamber will move and come into the middle. So we have to take the ink cartridges out of the packaging, as you can see here. So just remove this seal. And once you remove the outer seal, now we have to remove this orange seal. So simply push it, as you can see here, and now it's open and it's ready for the installation. So do it for all 5 ink cartridges. So look at the color, so it says M, so match M with the M, and we just have to install it like this. It will slide and go in, and just press it downwards, it will lock itself, and you will see the light is on. So this is the BK, and you just have to slide it in and press it down. It will lock itself and press it down. So this way we can install the ink cartridges here, and the lights should come up. That means they are installed properly. Now we close the ink cartridge chamber door by pressing it down and go on the display screen. So it will display on the screen that the following inks SetUp ink is installed. And to load the A4 size sheets, we can open the rear paper tray and it will just slide out, and we have to place the pages here. So adjust the size and place the sheets here. So on the display panel, we just have to click OK. Check the printed sheet and see if all the lines or all the patterns are okay, and then we have to confirm on the display screen. Now we have to open the top scanner lid and place this page facing downwards on the left hand side corner, as you can see here, and close the lid and click OK for the alignment. Now the next thing is, it says wireless LAN connection. So if you want, you can do the Wi-Fi setup from here, or you can select do not connect. Now after that, we will see the main screen and it displays the copy, scan and print option here. So I'm going to show you how to do the copy. And to do the copy, we simply open the top scanner lid, as you can see here, and place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner. Close the lid. So once you place the page on the top scanner, click OK for the copy and select that standard copy, click OK. Select the color or black, so click here, color, and then you can select the color copy. For example, I'm going to do the black and white, so click black and white. Now if you want, you can also change the number of page. For example, once you click OK, it will give you the option to increase up to 99 pages. So I'm going to do 1, so I click 1 again. Once we are ready, so we just click on the green button, which is the start button here. Click on that and it will start the copy function. So here we can see the printer is really fast, and you can see it has copied in black and white. So the copy is really good, as the original was in a color. So this way we can set up this printer quickly and we can do the copies. Or if you want, you can do the Wi-Fi setup with this printer, and you just have to follow my other videos if you want to know how to do. And overall, I can say the printer is really small in size. It's a compact printer, we can easily use it. Also, this printer has SD card slot here, as you can see here with my finger. So here we can install any SD card and we can just print the photos. And once we are done, the copy is done, we can just simply press the home button and we can go back. Thanks for watching.